In Connecticut's Battle of the Clam Chowders, Manhattan Clam Chowder appears to come in at number 2 on the customer request scale. It is a tomato-based clam soup compared with the cream-based New England style, and is said to be more refined in its flavor profiles for those who appreciate the taste of clams. It is a popular dish at Liquid Lunch, a chain of restaurants with 2 locations in Shelton and 1 in downtown Milford. On a scale of 1 to 10, how popular is Manhattan Clam Chowder?
Is it 7?
Yeah, 7.5. We definitely sell out of it when we run it. Yeah, and if they've had it before, if we have them try it, if they don't know much about soup or chowders, then they automatically go for the New England. But once they taste in Manhattan, it's a little bit different, and you can taste all the bits and pieces. And I think that's the difference, is that the New England clam chowder is just the whole package. But the Manhattan, you can taste all the elements and savor each element separately and together. So I think that might be the difference.
Okay, first I'm going to turn on my flame to a medium-high heat. Let it warm up for a second. Have half a pound of butter. When your butter is halfway melted, you are going to throw in your diced onions and diced celery. You need to cook these until they're translucent. We started off with a quart of onions and 1.5 cups of celery, small diced, and we have some freshly cut red peppers, diced carrots, 4 scallions. We got fresh cut diced tomatoes, crushed tomatoes, and tomato juice.
Do you think the Manhattan is a little more of a refined flavor?
Yes. I think so, yeah, definitely. It's the I guess it's like one of the grown-up versions of the chowder set. So if you younger people might not like the taste of clams, but they like New England clam chowder because of the creaminess. But if you really like the taste of all the elements of it, and you like the clam texture and the taste, then you'll really appreciate a Manhattan.
At Liquid Lunch, an 8-ounce order is $3.75, 16 ounces is $6.25, 24 ounces is $8.50, and 32 ounces is $12. This is Tony Spinelli, Compost.com.